Hello guys, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to see how to use Pandas dataframe.notna function. So let's see what is Pandas. Pandas is an open source Python library that is built on top of NumPy library. Pandas enable us to use Python programming language for efficient data analysis. Pandas helps us in cleaning and preparing data for various analytical purposes. Pandas can work well with variety of data sources like SQL files, Excel sheet, CSV files, and many other files. Now, what is data frame? Data frame is a two-dimensional heterogeneous data structure with labeled axes. For data analysis, we store our data in Pandas data frame. Pandas data frame has various built-in methods which helps us to perform various operations on our data. And all these enables us to perform data analysis. Pandas dataframe.notna function detects existing non-existing values in the data frame. The function returns a Boolean object having the same size as that of the object on which it is applied, indicating whether each individual value is NA value or not. NA values are the missing values. All of the non-missing values gets mapped to true and missing values gets mapped to false value. And in Pandas, characters such as empty string or numpy.inf are not considered NA values. Now let's see how to implement this function. Now we're going to see how to use Pandas dataframe.notna function. So for execution of my Python programs, I'm using Jupyter Notebook. If you're using any other platform or tool to execute your Python programs, it's fine. Before we move ahead, you need to have Pandas package installed in your Python environment. Now I'm gonna import Pandas package as PD. And I'm gonna run this line. Successfully done. Now we will create a data frame on which our .NA function will run. So I have already created this data frame. I'm gonna just run this. So we have successfully created the data frame. Let's print the data frame. So I'm gonna type the name of the data frame and press enter. So this is what our data frame looks like. Now we will use Pandas .NA function to find all non-missing or existing values. So I'm just gonna remove the comment. I'm gonna run this line. So as you can see here in the output, the size of this output object is same as this object. Since there is no missing value in our data frame, so all the values are true. But what if we have missing values? Let's see. So I have created this another data frame that is having some missing values in it. Let's run this. Now we will print the new data frame. Now as you can see here in the new data frame, we are having some missing values. Now let's see how .NA function will detect these missing values. So I'm going to remove the comment sign and I'm going to run this line. And as you can see here, for each NA value, we are having false value corresponding to that cell. So that's how Pandas .NA function works. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.